The other concern when it comes to Firestore is giving the user a way to update a document. Specifically, they need a way to update their report document when completing a quiz. Let's create a method called updateUserReport that takes a quiz as an argument. This method needs access to the current user, but because it's called based on an event, we don't need to listen to it in a stream. Instead, we can just grab the current user synchronously from the auth service user. We'll use the assertion operator here because we know this method can't be called unless the user is logged in. After that, we can make a reference to the reports collection and the corresponding user ID. Now it's just a matter of determining what we want to update on this document. Firestore expects a map with strings as the keys and dynamic types as the values. There are two things that we want to update on the document. The first thing is the total number of quizzes that the user has taken. We can actually tell Firestore to calculate that value automatically using field value increment by 1. That'll take the existing count and add 1 to it, or it will set it to 1 if the current total doesn't exist. Now the other value is a map where the key is the quiz topic and the value is an array of quiz IDs taken for that topic. Firestore also has a special method called field value array union that will take the quiz ID and merge it into the existing array of values there. So that's what the data update looks like. Now we can write it to the database by calling ref set and pass it the data as an argument. As a second argument, I'm also adding the option of merge true to make it a non-destructive write. That means that it won't override any existing data there. And that concludes our Firestore service. In the upcoming videos, we'll put these methods to use by building out the UI and fetching data dynamically based on the user's authentication state.